Okay, so I am just about to go into Ikea now and have a look at all the new bits and bobs that they've got coming in for spring, and I'm going to show you around. I'm hoping to get a couple of little bits and bobs, and I'm hoping to get some storage boxes because we are going to basically be moving out of our bungalow soon to start the renovation, so I will see what they've got. I'm in Ikea and it is so busy. I actually think they show homes are getting so much better here. Like, they actually are taking into consideration like what people want and need, and it makes you feel like it's a home rather than a show home. You know, they're a lot more cluttered, just like people's houses actually are. This is what I actually need. 2-pack for £5.50. Oh my god. Okay guys, so I just got back from the Ikea shop. I'm still in the car park. Bit of an unsuccessful trip on my part. The things I wanted to buy were like all out of stock. I did see a Lazy Susan though. I had 2 opportunities to pick it up and I thought, oh, there'll be more closer to the end, and there wasn't. They were £8 for a Lazy Susan. So I think I won't get it today, but I'm sure there'll be loads in stock in the future. But I want to get the Lazy Susan real bad because it was £8. The other thing I wanted to get was the thing that's going viral on Instagram, the like cover for the sofa. I'll pop it up here. It's out of stock, but I know Amazon have got one. I think it's a little bit more expensive, but it saves me coming back down when it's in stock. And these are the bedside tables that I want to upcycle with the sofa rest thing. So, because I've already upcycled them once, and honestly they're battered now. And I was going to put them on Facebook Marketplace and sell them off cheap. However, have you seen the price of these now? So what I'm thinking about doing is upcycling these, maybe popping that stuff on the front of these cabinets with a nice little handle, and then when we move back in, at least I've got bedside tables for the spare rooms, because I know bedside tables are expensive, so I might as well just try and upcycle these in the meantime. Okay, so these are the boxes that I picked up from Ikea. I just think they're such a cute way to store some bits and bobs when you're either moving or moving out for a renovation. They are £1 each, which I think is really good considering they look nice. So like if I had to store them for a while when I move back in because I haven't got anywhere to put them yet, at least I know I can pile them on top of each other and they look cute, whereas like storage boxes, they ain't looking cute. And they're like quite sturdy. So in this one I'm hiding dog toys. Don't let them see them. Hiding the dog toys in there. But then they've got quite a lot of space, so I'm putting like decor that I really don't want to damage in these ones. Because I think they're smaller boxes, so they're less likely to wriggle around. And they've got the nice little handles, and you can pop what they are on the front. I obviously will be getting proper storage boxes for other things, but I just think, yeah, considering they're £1 each, storage boxes are like £2.50, so I'm quite impressed with these. So if you are thinking about moving or whatever, £1 each. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed looking around the new in Ikea for spring. Just to remind you, I won't be buying anything from Ikea anytime soon because we are doing a full bungalow renovation. I just wanted to go and get some storage boxes and things that I can upcycle in the meantime. But yeah, if you like renovations and things like that, then be sure to subscribe to my channel because there's going to be so much content coming your way, and hit that bell notification and then you'll get notified when I put up a new video. And yeah, let me know what you think of these sort of videos in the comments. If you enjoy them, I'll happily drive places and do some more for you. So I'll leave it there and I'll see you in the next video.